How to enable mature content on your Twitch channel. So if you want to enable the mature content on your Twitch channel, then what you need to do is you just need to simply search for Twitch. Once you search for it, go with www.twitch.tv and make sure to log into your account. And once you've logged into your Twitch, what you need to do is just go with the profile option on the upper right and then go with the creator dashboard. Once you're under the creator dashboard, now you just need to simply go with stream manager, go with the stream preview option, and then go with edit stream info. And if you scroll down right here, then you will have content classification. And under content classification, you will have an option of mature rated game or vulgarity, sexual themes, violent and graphic depictions. So you just need to simply classify your content in this way. And after that, go with done. And that's it. That's how you can enable the mature content on your Twitch channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.